crypto came along relatively recently. I guess Bitcoin was invented in 2009,
Yep.
but relatively recently it's become a big phenomenon. Do you
Yep.
see any other phenomenon like that that you might get involved with as well?
Potentially. I mean, look, eventually AI, I think, right now we're at the stage of AI being mediocre chatbots instead of really bad chatbots, but that's going to change over time. And, mark to 10, 20 years from now, we may be having a very different conversation.
So I have not bought any cryptocurrencies. I have invested in companies that service the industry, but I haven't bought crypto myself. Let's suppose I said I wanted to buy some cryptocurrencies. What
Yep.
would you recommend to me or anybody else?
Well, first thing is I try not to give investment advice, and what I would say is the most effective and useful thing you can do is just try everything out. Take $10, feed it through every protocol, feed it through every exchange, see what it's like, get a first-hand experience of using a blockchain explorer, doing a trade, and that will teach you a lot about how the industry functions. You know, I think I've been really interested in a few different areas of the space. I think I've been interested in scalable blockchains. I've been interested, obviously, in the exchange and platform space, especially on the regulated side. And then I'm super excited about the potential for blockchain-based social media to the extent that there are projects coming out, in that area around remittances and payments and around market structure. Those are the places that I'm looking at the most right now.
So in the case of cryptocurrencies today, would
Yep.
you say now's a time to get in? It's good, or now is a time to wait to see where the market's going?
So I think what I would say is there's potentially a lot of profit you could make. You could also lose though. Like things can go up, things can go down. There is, a lot of upside potential. The biggest thing I would say is don't put in more than you're, fine losing. Like, don't put in money that you would be really, really sad to lose into, crypto right now. Think of it more as an upside play.